Good morning, Yellow 4. This is Miss Culberson with the remote learning activity for today, December 15, 2020. And for this activity, you are going to need some pipe cleaners and some beads. And these materials, you will find them in your learning packet. So if you can go get them, give you a minute. You ready? Good. So take your pipe cleaner and twist one of the ends so the beads won't come out. Just like that. And then choose what kind of beads you want in it. I think I gave you white and red, but you can choose how many white and how many red. If you're going to do all white first and then all red, what pattern are you going to make? Mine is 2 green beads, 1 and 2, and 1 red. There you go. 2 green, 1 red. And I'm going to continue doing this until I get all of them in. And I know it seemed easy for you, but if you're struggling with it, it's okay. I want you to keep trying, because if you keep trying, you'll get better. So don't worry if it's taking a minute for you to get the bead through the pipe cleaner. Just keep trying, because while you're trying, your muscles are getting stronger. Your finger muscles are getting stronger. And those muscles are the ones that are going to help you learn to write. That is why Miss Culberson is making you do all these things, because when we get into in-person learning, hopefully in January, you will be so strong and you will hold that pencil and you will learn how to write in no time. Awesome. So here I am with my last group. 2 green, 1 red. There. See? Can you see them? 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, 1 red. That is my pattern. I'm going to twist the end, the other end. So that just leaves me with this little thingy over here. And I'm going to twist again the other end. I'm going to bend it. That's a better word for this. I'm going to bend that end. And now it has the shape of a candy cane. It's a candy cane made of beads. It's not to eat, but it's very pretty. Great, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Make those finger muscles strong, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.